How to fix Smart View not working on Samsung device. What's up everyone, welcome back to the video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your Smart View is not working. So Smart View is basically an inbuilt app on your system which allows you to share your screen on multiple devices like your laptop or TV. Let's see how you can fix it if it's not working. First of all, you will have to go to your search bar on your apps and then search for Smart View. Once you search for it, just tap on Smart View on the settings and it will take you to the Smart View option. Just tap on it and tap on this line at the top right corner to head over to its settings. And now from here tap on About Smart View. You can check if your Smart View is updated to the latest version or not from here. And after this, you again want to open your settings and then scroll down until you see App Settings. And once your app settings is open, then from here you can tap on the three lines or the sword icon to show the system apps as well. And from here you can search for Smart View. And once you search for it, just tap on the Smart View option. And from here you want to check the change system settings. So you want to allow this permission if it's not turned on, then allow it to appear on top as well. And from here you can go to storage and clear data. And once you do this, head over to permissions, ensure that these permissions are allowed. And finally, head over to your battery and make sure that it's on optimized and not on any of these two options. And once you do that, you can just head over to your settings again, go to connections, and from here you can tap on more connection settings. It's actually on connected device, so just tap here and tap on Smart View and tap continue. Then your available device should be shown right here and it should work properly. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and I'll see you guys on the next one. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and I'll see you guys on